I'm Corporal Guthrie with the Nevada Department of Public Safety's Southern Police Academy. I'm here to discuss Class 94's TASER Day today. This morning they were introduced to the TASER nomenclatures about what the TASER is, what type of TASER we use, as for officers and troopers out there in the streets doing police work and what equipment they're carrying. All morning we were doing classroom presentations, letting them know how to handle the TASER, what the capabilities of the TASER is, getting them used to dry firing TASERs, letting them know how to switch from bays to bays of the TASER, which is a new feature the Axon TASER has made for these TASER 7s. We want them to get exposed to the TASER because we want them, one, to realize what the feeling is being tased for the whole 5 seconds. Two is to watch the reactions of the subject to know that their TASER's being used correctly and being exposed correctly. And then obviously this afternoon was the exposure, which they get tased with the TASER. And again, it gives them a feeling of what the TASER is capable of and what they can do and cannot do while being tased. Again, today was a very electrifying day for them. It's a day that they will never forget, and it's also a feeling they will never forget.
TASER, TASER, TASER!
We did it, Karen! We did it! Ow!
You're good.
You got it.
TASER, TASER, TASER!
Oh, yeah! Give me now, give me now, give me now!
TASER, TASER, TASER! Drop it down on the ground. Drop it on the ground. I don't have contact, but you're going to get thrust done right here. Ready?
Yes, Corporal!
TASER, TASER, TASER!
Ah!
Are you ready?
Yes, Corporal!
TASER, TASER!
Oh,
Nice.
oh.
Thank you, sir. TASER, TASER, TASER!
You're good, you're good, you're good.
Yeah.
Bro, that is not fun.
TASER, TASER,
Oh! Okay, I'm not.
TASER, TASER, TASER! TASER, TASER, TASER!
You're good.
Should I clench my fists?
Everything's good.
What do I do with my hands, Corporal?
Taryn, are you ready?
I guess so, Corporal.
Come on, Sarah.
I'm gonna send it. TASER, TASER, TASER!
No. You're good. You got it.
Go!
Stop doing it. He's not good. We're getting tased. You can see him arcing. TASER, TASER, TASER!
You're good. You're good. Good job. Good job. Super.
TASER, TASER, TASER! Let him down. TASER, TASER, TASER! Oh!
You're good.